Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locating the removable links and aligning the arrows. This shows pin direction. Use a pin pusher and block to stabilize the band, and gently tap pins out with a small hammer. Short, controlled taps prevent bending. Once a pin pops, pull it the rest of the way with needle nose pliers. Make sure to keep removed pins and spare links organized so you can measure how many links you'll add before moving to the next step. Once you've prepared the new link, position it between the end links so holes line up perfectly. Orientation matters to keep the clasp centered. Insert the joining pin from the same direction the arrows indicated, pushing by hand until resistance, then use the hammer with gentle taps to seat it flush. Make sure pins are straight as you drive them. A crooked pin will jam. After seating, flex the band lightly to confirm the links articulate smoothly, and the clasp still closes properly. To finish, double-check each pin is fully seated and flush. If one protrudes, back it out slightly and reseat straight. Put the watch on and test range of motion and comfort. Make sure no edges pinch and the clasp locks securely. If a pin jams or won't align, don't force it. Reverse it partway, realign the holes, and try again with gentler taps to avoid bending. Keep spare pins and links. They save time if a component is damaged during fitting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.